Ready to ditch the boring 9-to-5 and snag a gig at one of the top freelance platforms, Toptal? Let's dive into my journey and how I landed a job at Toptal, a platform known for its rigorous screening process and high-caliber clients first. It's all about crafting a killer portfolio. Think of it as your digital showroom. It's the first impression, so it has to be awesome. My biggest piece of advice is to showcase your best work. Include clear descriptions of your projects, emphasizing your role and the specific results you achieved. Don't just list tasks. Highlight the value you brought to each project, and remember, visuals are key, so use high-quality images and videos to bring your work to life. Next up, communication. Toptal expects top-notch communication skills. Practice your written and verbal communication skills because you'll be interacting with clients globally. Ensure clear and concise email writing and consider using communication tools such as Slack or Zoom. Interview prep is also crucial. Toptal has a comprehensive screening process, including technical and personality assessments. Research common interview questions for your field and practice your responses. Be ready to discuss your strengths, weaknesses, and problem-solving skills with confidence. For those who make it past the initial screening, Toptal offers some of the most amazing and exclusive projects, so you got this. Good luck on your journey.